everyone, welcome back. It's butter wrapping paper review today, so let's get started. So this one is 50-meter long wrapping paper by the brand OFIXO, and it has MRP of 999 rupees, but I just grab it at rupees 188 from Amazon. It's a steal deal. Okay, so this is a non-stick butter paper and making it ideal for cooking, baking, roasting and even food packing. So this paper is reheatable and perfect for everyday use in the kitchen. It offers lightweight feel and the thickness of the paper is medium. I personally use it for multiple purpose like packing my kids tiffin, wrapping leftover and preparing baked goods. So it's a good alternative to the aluminum foil paper. The only downside I can say is it doesn't come with a box or a cutter. So you will need to tear it manually, which can be a bit inconvenient. Mostly even 9-meter wrapping paper also they give the cutter with this. So they should include that. Okay, overall 50-meter, this roll offers excellent value for money and it's practical whether you are baking, grilling or simply packing food. This paper does the job perfectly. So give it a try and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe for more. Bye bye.